Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to our session for our education series for Nuzuk Hajj 2026. Right now, I will be covering how to select preferred category. This option will not be available all the way till the point till you are not verified within the system. So, to get the easiest view to just see everything, maybe go for the table view, and it will give you a much easier way to actually see what kind of packages you're looking for, whether it be luxury, premium, or standard. And just to give you a little preview, luxury will be your five-star packages, both in Mecca and Medina. Premium will be the four-star packages, both in Mecca and Medina. And standard will be your three-star hotels or residential buildings in Mecca and Medina. And you will have both options available with all the packages, and all three of these also have the coordinating shifting packages, where you stay a few days near Haram and then they shift you over into a building or a hotel in Azizia, and you have that option with all three of them. This will not affect the type of packages that you are able to purchase, so please do not worry when you are selecting the preferred packages. Maybe the prices for you may work better for standard, but you select premium, or maybe you select luxury and premium may be working better, or maybe your budget was pretty high and you selected premium. This will not affect what type of packages you will be able to purchase. This is just a preference option that you just select in the system and you proceed ahead. I'm going to go ahead and select luxury, and sometimes it may not show in there. You can go ahead and click on dashboard and you will see the package has changed. So this is how you will be taken care of for step 5, which is selecting preferred category.